Hi guys, welcome back. Today let's learn about Newton's second law of motion. What is Newton's second law of motion? Force equals to mass times acceleration. That's the formula used for Newton's second law of motion. It also includes acceleration, which means a measurement of how quickly an object is changing its speed. Acceleration. An unbalanced force causes something to accelerate. A force can cause motion only if it is met with an unbalanced force. Forces can be balanced or unbalanced. Depends on the net force acting on the object. Balanced versus unbalanced forces. When there are two equal forces, it causes no acceleration. That means balanced forces cause no acceleration. When the forces are not equal and are unbalanced, then there will be some kind of acceleration. What does force equals to mass into acceleration mean? Force is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. Imagine a ball of certain mass moving in a certain acceleration. This ball has a certain force. Now imagine this ball twice, that is double the mass, but keep the accelerate constant. Here, force equals to mass says that this new ball has twice the force of the old ball. Now imagine the original ball moving twice the original acceleration. Force equals mass into acceleration says that the ball will again have twice the force of the ball at original acceleration. In other words, small force, which is applying little force, equals to small acceleration. Or if we have a large force, which is applying more force, and that is equals to large acceleration. But here comes the tricky part. There is a twist. In other words, using the same amount of force. Now, there are two objects of different masses, the truck and the small toy car. The truck has more mass than the toy car. So, if we apply the same force on both the objects, like if we apply a small force on the truck which has larger mass, it will go a small distance. There will be a small acceleration because most of the force is balanced by the truck and little force is unbalanced, causing acceleration. As the same force applied to the toy car. The toy car has small mass. Since it has small mass, it cannot balance most of the force, hence causing a large acceleration. More about force equals to mass into acceleration. If you double the mass, you double the force. If you double the acceleration, you double the force too. This is an important point to note. What if you double the mass and the acceleration? So it would become 2 times mass and 2 times acceleration, which is equals to 4 times the force. Doubling the mass and the acceleration quadruples the force. High mass. Something that is very massive, which has high mass, that's changing speed very slowly, low acceleration, like a glacier, can still have a great force under it. Low mass. Something very small that's changing speed very quickly, like a bullet, can still have a great force. Something very small and changing force very slowly can have a weak force and will have a weak force. How does weight tie in? Mass is the quantity of matter in an object. Weight is the force of gravity on an object. If force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration, then weight is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Meet you in the next video. Until then, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye and thank you for watching.